It's a lovely morning. This is take 2 because I have worked out the problem why I'm having audio issues, and I can't believe it took me this long, so I'm sorry for my delay in ping moment. The cable, it's all to do with the cable that links my external mic to this camera, which is a GoPro. I've ordered a new one, it's coming on Saturday. So this is just really because the audio was just so awful. I tried to fix it because you can denoise, it's in an editing thing, but it sounds like you're underwater. It's absolutely hideous. So there are but it then improved in later clips, ironically. So just for this intro, I'm just going to say hi. Yeah, it's I mean, it was a lovely day. So I extended a no-dig bed, and I did the plans. And that's what I'm not going to show you now, because obviously you're going to see me do plot 25, etc. But I was really pleased with that result. Birdsong was really loud. Do you know what amazes me is how loud a blackbird is? Because they're quite small birds, but they are one loud bird. I'm going to go and get the app, the mobile, so I can see what other birds there were. Hold on, back in a tick. So just going to see. That's a blackbird. That's an actual blackbird. I mean, I'm sure you're picking that up, and I'm not using the external mic. It's going to be just the GoPro mic, which isn't the best. That little high-pitched twitch was the robin. Amazing. The Christmas tree. I wanted to show you the Christmas tree. So can you actually see that? Oh, I can't see it. I think you can see it. Is it there? Is that it? I can't see because it's so bright, but I mean, I'm absolutely so pleased with it, and I'll definitely save my next Christmas tree because there's the plots are big enough. There we go. So is that the top? I think I can't tell. I can't see what you can see. Oh, there I'm sort of seeing it. Yeah. And I do have about 7 or 8 sweet peas inside there. They've been there for 5 days now. They're getting tiny little bit munched, but nothing drastic. So they're going to go all around. So hopefully, as they grow, I can just sort of wind them round. And they're already clinging, because you know sweet peas do cling, don't they? I did actually, and this is another update, I put in my sunflowers because there's no expected frost, so that was yesterday I put them in. So I've got 4 sunflowers in. Oh, I'll show you what else I did. I'll be back, hold up. I did a fair bit of weeding. I trimmed the Taunton Dean, the lower leaves there, and also weeded that whole area. Strawberries are going to go in there. Runner beans are in, but there will be more, but these are the moonlight runner beans. Oh look, that doesn't look too happy. Ah no. Oh, I'll give it, oh, it's gonna be okay. I'll just tie it back up. Oh no, runner bean casualty. Oh well, never mind. I have more. There's a lot going on under here. I need to be fair, let's reveal. Do you know, I think this is the lettuce. So I can't actually remember. This is where you should this is where planners become useful, is making a note, and I didn't do that. The strawberries are still happy. In fact, they kind of seem to have sort of sprouted, so I've been watering them. Oh, and while we're here, the baby plums, check these out. Oh, there's so many of them. That's absolutely staggering. And I got these for my birthday last year, this plum tree, so hopefully this year the plums are all right, you know. Yeah, so this is meant to be lettuce. I'll take it off today, I think. it's not in a uniform position that I expected to be, because the perennial leeks are in there as well, but they don't come out. They shouldn't see them for a little while. Okay. Yeah, oh, and I just generally weeded. Yeah. Yeah. It's gorgeous. I need more. There's always more weeding. It's a bit like washing up, isn't it? Constant. Right, so let's get crack on and get on with that, extending the bed in up at the front. Oh, because I did say that's the whole, that with no dig is you just slowly sort of keep extending, and I think I said that I was going to go and get more cardboard, and I did. Lots more, which is brilliant. Right, yeah, so see you outside. Well, see you on the time lapse. Whew, that's that done. I'm pretty pleased. I've actually completely run out of cardboard now. I've only got those little bits there, if you can see them. They're there. I think it's time for coffee, but let me just show you quick. I mean, if you look from that bit all the way down now, I'm reaching the rhubarb, which is pretty good. Wood chip covers the sort of paving slab, which I've done here, which works. It really works. So, I mean, Halfords cardboard, honestly, I'm going to go to Halfords after this and get some more on the way home. Yeah. Fantastic coffee. Cheers everybody. I'm going to be in the shed because look, it's got 4 bars. I actually can't remember how many bars it had when I turned it on the first time. When I edit, I'll try and see. And I'm sorry, if it was less than 4 bars, then that thing charged it. So, oh, it's nice. You can probably hear that. Cheers. Oh, I thought I'd start doing plot 25 plan, or try to. So what do I need? Yellow. Come on, let's do it together. I hope you can see this. I should be able to. Oh, I need my glasses. Where are they? Okay. Plot 25. So, hold on. I'm going to do the green as the arch. So that's the arch. What do I have? Oh my God, I'm going to have to rely on memory. So there's green. There's a big sage bush there. Oh, this needs development then. I do have a fruit tree here, but I can't actually remember what it is. I just put F for fruit, and then this needs development. Oh, and there's an apple tree here. This is not going to be to scale. Then I have a kind of little planting area there. I've got a cranberry in the middle of that, so I'll put that there. C for cranberry. Oh, path. What a path colour a path. So that's a path. And then it kind of goes there. And then down. Oh, boysenberry arch. I'll put B for boysenberry. Oh, jeez. Can't put my teeth back in. Boysenberry plants. There is a bed. Where is it? It's kind of here. Well, the path might be there actually. Okay, there's a path going this way. That's probably better actually. Yeah. Kind of needs developing there and all along there. And there is a bed here. And I have shallots. So I've got shallots in that one. I'm going to just put an S for shallots because it's, you know. And then I do have, what colour have I got? Oh yeah, the climbing frames all along here. I'm just going to kind of do them like that. I'm not sure on the length. This isn't to scale again. And that has a, like a, you know, all the cucumber frames over here, isn't it? That's sort of like that. I'll put cucumber frame, cucumber, because that's where the cucumber will go. And so the path does do this a little bit, yeah. Of course, that does actually extend down. So I'll probably put runner beans along here somewhere and sweet peas. Oh, Taunton Dean's here, isn't it? Sort of. T for, what are we doing? T for Taunton Dean. I think I'll put strawberries in there as well, but we haven't done that yet. Oh, what colour am I? So all this, oh no, wrong one. All this needs developing. I was just trying to think. Beds. This is from memory, because I'm in here. Oh, path. There is more path. It goes like that, doesn't it? Oh no, wrong one. Ah, colours. That's the path. All this needs developing. There is a bed here. That's the leeks. And then the other bed's there. Perennial leeks and lettuce. And then I have, oh, I think I've got 3 beds there, but one of them needs developing a little bit more. Oh, plum tree. P for plum. And then compost bin. Round, square, well, rectangle, and round. Compost. So that actually extends right, keeps going, doesn't it? The climbing frame. And the path does that as well. Yeah, so developing, ooh, needs developing. There is, I think there's a bit here, but we won't worry about that right now. So that's pretty good. Hope you can see that. Try and get, there you go. Oh, so this yellow line here is just, yeah, because that's plot 26. Plot 25. Wow, that's brilliant. Thanks to Mel. I wouldn't have done that otherwise, I don't think, because your link that I said in the other vlog was very useful. So thank you for that. Oh, lovely. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I might be more organised this year, because that's not. Oh, did I put the Christmas tree down? Yeah, I did. Sweet peas. Right. I think that would be me, because I've got to go and get more cardboard. So I have to factor that in. I want to say massive thanks to everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's really helpful for the channel. Just helps it YouTube plug it more because they see people like it, etc., and all that kind of stuff. And hit the like button. That helps the algorithm too, and it doesn't cost you a penny. It really doesn't. Just watching is really, really brilliant, and subscribing preferably. Hope you enjoyed this one. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.